Aloha folks, this is Aaron of Hawaiian Music School, and today's lick of the day was a Hawaiian turnaround in A, kind of a jazzy one here. So I'm going to teach you guys how the lick goes, but first let me play it for you. It goes like this. Okay, and so it's your basic Hawaiian turnaround, but we're putting a little bit of chromaticism in there and making it sound a little bit more fun. So let's see how we did it. The first thing I did was I slid in to this shape here, right, which is your E chord, just like that. So I'm sliding from 3 to 4 on the 3rd string, and I'm playing the 4th fret of the 2nd string, then I'm playing the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Okay, now I'm going to go down here to the 5th fret of the 1st string. So I'm pulling off from 5 to 4 to 2. Now I'm going to go to the 2nd string and play the 4th fret. So far we have. Now we're going to do this little. Okay, so what that is sliding from 3 to 4 on the 2nd string. And we're going to go chromatically backwards from the 4th fret on the 3rd string. So 4, 3, 2, 6. Now we kind of repeat that here, where we slide up between 3 to 4. Now I'm going to catch 4 on the 2nd string. Now go backwards again. 4, 3, 2. So open on the 4th string, and then 1st fret, 2nd fret, and I just pick it 4, 3, 2, 1. So all together. Okay, and that's the lick of the day. Now, you can use that for any place you would use a Hawaiian turnaround in the key of A. Now, keep in mind, it's a movable shape too. So if I wanted to do it in the key of C, I would do the same thing, just move it up, what is this, a step and a half. So we would go. Just like that, okay? So, it's a really useful lick. You can move it around. You can also try to put it on different strings. Just play the same notes, and you can have a lot of fun with this lick. All right. So if you like the video, please go ahead, hit that like button below. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Please leave a comment too. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I love meeting all the guys that check out this channel. Also, if you like the way I teach, check out my lesson site. It's called HawaiianMusicSchool.com, and right now you can get 2 weeks free if you sign up. So hopefully I'll see you around, guys. Take care. Aloha. Thank you for the support.